The following message is transmitted at the request of the Allen County Department of Health and the Fort Wayne Police Department. An unidentified virus strain is currently rapidly spreading across the city of Fort Wayne and surrounding suburbs. This virus has the following symptoms: nausea, vomiting blood, chills, fever, headaches, bleeding from the eyes and ears, and amnesia. Over 263 people have already found themselves infected with this disease. All residents of the city of Fort Wayne and surrounding suburbs are strongly advised to heed the following instructions in order to prevent you or your loved ones from being infected. Remain in your homes with all windows and doors locked. This virus is also confirmed to be airborne, so turning off all ventilation and heating systems is also strongly recommended. Gather food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered or hand-crank radio with extra batteries. Do not, at any circumstances, approach an infected civilian, or you may also find yourself infected with this disease. If you or your loved ones are currently experiencing the mentioned symptoms of this disease, seek medical attention immediately. Please stay tuned to local station and media outlets for more information on this dangerous situation.